Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to sell art on Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com if you've not already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you want to go ahead and log into your account. After logging into your account, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where we can find all the websites we can access. And what we want to do guys is go ahead and find the website that we want to sell our art on. So I'm going to open up my website right here by clicking on it. That's going to open up my site in this preview page where I can see my website, products and services, content and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started selling your art. Basically guys, we are going to go ahead and add a store page to our website, and we can do that by clicking the pages section right here, which is going to take us into this page section where we can take a look at all the pages we have. As you can see, I have already added my store, but if you do not have a store guys, what you can do is click the plus button right here next to main navigation. This is going to enable you to select what kind of page you want, and under collections you're going to have a store option, so you want to click on store. After adding your store guys, you can tap on it and this is going to open up your store right here where we can get started with selling our products. As you can see, I can take a look at my categories, products and so on. I have my t-shirts, glasses and so on that I can start selling. And what you want to do to add new options and to sell art is click the plus button right here. That's going to enable you to sell something physical, service, doesn't matter. You're going to select physical and start adding your art and pictures and descriptions into your categories and products so people can buy them. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.